In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access the assistive software available to you on the Heriot-Watt University network using a platform called Keyserver. I'll show you how to access this via a Windows and macOS device. Let's start with Windows. The first step is to open up your browser of choice. I'm going to open up Google Chrome, search for Keyserver Heriot-Watt, and visit the top result. On the resulting page, navigate to the Keyserver link and then select the Sign In with HWU account option. Sign in using your Heriot-Watt email and password, and complete multi-factor authentication. From here, select the campus you want to remotely connect to a computer on. The numbers shown on the map represent different rooms and the numbers of computers available within that room. Let's select Mary Burton G51, which says it has 15 computers available. As we can see, there are less than 15 computers showing on the list here. This is because others are powered off. A computer has to be powered on for you to connect to it. Additionally, if there is someone using a computer in the room, then this will be unavailable for remote connection. Select the Connect link next to an available computer and then select Download within the pop-up window. An RDP file will download, which allows you to connect to the computer using the built-in Windows Remote Desktop software. Open this file. Select Connect on the pop-up window and then enter your Heriot-Watt email, if required, and your Heriot-Watt password. This is the same one as you use for signing into your Heriot-Watt email account. Remote Desktop will then attempt to connect to the selected computer on campus. Please note here that you will be sent a multi-factor authentication or MFA request via your Authenticator app on your phone. To allow you to connect to a computer remotely, you must ensure that app-based notifications are set up as your default MFA method. There is a link in the description of this video explaining how to set this up. Complete the authentication and then you should have remote access to the campus computer. From here, you can access assistive software such as Read and Write by searching for it in the search bar at the bottom left of the screen. Or you can select Start and navigate to the Assistive Software folder, which shows the assistive software available on the computer. Selecting Read and Write, for example, will start the software up and allow you to use this. Once you are finished accessing the computer remotely, ensure you select the Start menu, navigate to your profile picture, right-click this with your mouse, and select Sign Out from the resulting menu. Now let's move on to macOS. If you haven't done so already, I would encourage you to watch the Windows section of this video before watching this section, as the vast majority of the process on macOS is the same as the process on Windows. However, there is one key difference. Windows has the remote desktop software built in. However, on macOS, you will need to download this software in order to connect remotely to a campus computer. To do this, open the App Store, search for Microsoft Remote Desktop, and download the top result. Once downloaded, when you open the downloaded RDP file, as in the Windows section of this video, this should prompt you to sign into your HWU account, and then you'll be able to access the computer you're trying to connect to. Everything else in the Windows section of this video applies to macOS as well. For guidance on how to use the available assistive software, please see the links in the description.